This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Samsung Internet browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Samsung Internet browser opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says dark mode. Place your cursor over dark mode. Then you'll slide straight off to the left, and it has three different options for you: light mode, dark mode, or use system settings. I'm going to toggle on dark. Then it goes to dark mode. I'm going to refresh my page here. Now my page is in dark mode. Now I'm going to go back to it. I'm going to click on the three-dot menu. I'm going to go down to where it says dark. Straight across, I'm going to go to the one that says use system settings. Toggle that one on. I'm going to refresh my web page. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Samsung Internet web browser. Thanks for watching.